summer season. So for me, when I think of summer, I so
being here. What makes you miss Vogue?
I was on the first cover. No, my first cover was Vogue. So the first cover of Miss Vogue has to be me.
I agree.
So that makes me Miss Vogue.
So this is our summer loving issue. Where are you going this summer?
This summer I'm going to be in Punjab shooting. But hopefully in a few months I'll go somewhere exotic.
Anywhere on your horizon?
At the moment I'm thinking only London because that's my favorite place to go to. But you never know.
What is your summer style statement?
My summer style statement would be something that's very comfortable, very easy because it's really hot. So you can't waste time trying to get into something that is really fitted and then have to be uncomfortable all day. Something easy, flowy, breezy.
And who is your summer crush?
That's a secret.
What is your favorite memory of summer as a young girl?
I think the mango season is like summer season. So for me, when I think of summer, I associate it with mango.
You just turned 22. What would you tell other 22-year-olds who are going to buy Miss Vogue? What advice would you give them?
I just turned 22, so I'll tell all the other 22-year-olds that you should love yourself, be fabulous, aim for greatness, don't settle for good, and just like have everybody talking about you, yeah, that's what you should aim for.
What is the biggest risk you've taken so far?
I think this film that I'm doing right now, that's a big risk at the moment.
Tell us about the film.
It is it's too soon to talk about the film, but it is definitely the hardest film of the hardest character that I've played till date.
And tell us what you're most excited about this year.
Honestly, I'm most excited about hopefully both my films released this year. But other than that, I'm really excited to watch a couple of films, and that would be Bombay Velvet, Jagga Jasoos, and Dil Dhadakne Do.
Great. So we also had a contest online where we asked people to submit questions for you. These were some of the winners. Maithili Joshi wants to know, what's the one thing you miss the most after becoming an actress and a known celebrity?
I think hanging out with my friends at these particular spots, my addas if you can call them, it becomes a bit difficult to go there now. So
Can you tell us one of your addas that you used to hang out?
There's a place called Temple Flower in Juhu. I used to hang out there a lot with my friends.
Stuck in Style wants to know, who is Miss Vogue?
I'm Miss Vogue.
Ishika wants to know how you would define Miss Vogue in 3 words.
I think Miss Vogue is fun, she's fabulous, and she's really fresh.
Riya Snehi wants to know, she says you're the style icon for many girls. What would you like to advise them?
I think what's most important is that when you're looking out to wear something, you must be comfortable. Because if you're uncomfortable, you're not going to look good. And don't try to match your shoe to your bag, to your nail polish, to your lip color. Just kind of mix things together, and sometimes you never know, anything can look good on you.
That's good advice. So how does it feel to be the very first Miss Vogue, says Zoya?
It feels great because honestly it is actually a really big honor because it's a very big launch. It's the first ever Miss Vogue for us that is going to be on stand for I think 3 months. Yeah, 3 months. So it's a very big deal. I'm going to be on the magazine stand for 3 months. So I'm quite kicked. And of course you get to be styled by the beautiful stylists at Miss Vogue, PK, Priyanka, wherever you are. Thank you for styling me so beautifully. It was very close to my personal style. So I think that made the shoot very far away from a shoot.
Zishan wants to know, if you could give your younger self one piece of advice, what would it be?
If I give my younger self one piece of advice, it would be to learn how to walk properly because I have a big problem. I'm constantly falling down. I'm flat-footed and I walk like a duck is what most people say to me. So I wish I had a better posture and a better walk. But I'm working at it right now. It's not too late. I'm just 22.
I think you're doing quite well. G1 Rockstar wants to know, what advice would you give to someone who wants to become an actor?
I feel it's not my place to say that, you know, it'll happen, because I know how hard it is. It's really, really tough out there. I was very, very fortunate and very, very grateful, but I feel like just dream with your eyes open. Yeah, and I'm quoting Ronnie Screwwala's book, but it is true. Dream with your eyes open. I mean, it's just like you have to put all your energy there and it'll happen.
Alia, Ologist Forever, want to know how do you maintain your style every day?
Honestly, my everyday style is very easy because I'm constantly going for shoots, so I need to go in like a pair of track pants or like a ganji or like a hoodie. So I try to keep it really comfortable, but yeah, I obviously make sure that it matches and the colors are good.
And Alia Licious wants to know what's the secret behind your flawless skin?
Alia Licious, the secret behind my flawless skin is the love that I get from you.
Oh.